It's snowing! Good morning, everyone. It is officially snowing here in Seoul. Good morning, guys! Say hi!
Hello! Good morning, snow!
Good morning, snow! So pretty. This is like a dream. This is like a dream, guys. It's like winter wonderland here. And this is just Seoul. Imagine more in Pyeongchang. But today we're on our way to Pyeongchang. We've packed our bags and we're on our way there. It'll take probably 3 hours via bus. So yeah. 도착.
저희가 도착했습니다.
도착했습니다. We're in Hanseol Valley. It's snowing outside and people are skiing. Unfortunately, we can't ski. We can only ride the sled tomorrow. But that's fine. I really want to ski.
Or ski, or sliding.
She's dancing tonight. We're in our room now and I'm with my new roommate. Hi, introduce yourself.
I'm Sita from Indonesia.
Hi, Sita. And then?
I'm Jialing from Malaysia.
Malaysia. We're in our room in Hanseol Valley. And this is our view, guys. Oh.
Try to slow sled tomorrow.
Yeah. It's your first time too?
First time in winter.
Yes.
Seeing snow
Yes.
live.
Yeah. So this is our room. Room. And there's our view.
Okay.
In a while at 2 p.m. it's now 1:30. We're gonna have to cook specific delicacies from our country. So I'm gonna have to go with the Pinoys and we're gonna cook adobo and make everyone try it. And I'm so excited to try everyone's food tonight. So guys, what are you guys cooking tonight? From Indonesia.
I'm preparing rendang.
Rendang?
And
What's
nasi
that?
goreng. Rendang is a beef
Mm-hmm.
with some spices. Some
Okay.
special spices from Padang. It's Sumatra. From
Oh!
Yes.
And then the other one?
And nasi goreng, fried rice.
Wow!
Fried rice and Indomie.
Yeah, the very famous.
That's the very famous Indomie.
From Indonesia. What about you, Chaling? What are you guys gonna cook tonight?
We are also going to prepare curry.
Curry!
It's something that is more watery than rendang.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and also Chinese food. But we don't have Indian food.
Asian food is the best! It's so amazing because they're just playing K-pop in the background. This is the dream.
What is it?
This is the dream, guys. I don't know what this song is though. But a while ago they were playing B2B.
Oh, you
Yeah,
like B2B?
I like B2B.
Okay.
Ah.
My favorite.
Yeah, what's your favorite?
G7.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! You know, say hi to my friend Justine. Say
Hi,
Justine.
Justine.
Justine is the #1 agase. Oh my god. She's
agase.
so, oh my god. This is
my bias is Bam Bam.
her bias is Jinyoung, but she loves Bam Bam also.
Wongi Pakgi.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna show her this video and she's gonna freak out. She's probably freaking out right now watching this. Ah! You're an agase. I'm an army.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
army.
BTS.
Jimin.
Yeah! Oh my god! You guessed it right! Jimin! He's
Small. What is it? What do you call him? Mochi.
Mochi!
Oh my god.
I'm so happy, K-pop! Darling's just laughing at us.
I don't know anything much.
Oh my god! Suddenly, they were playing my job. Wait! I'm so fire, boy, time's up. Keep on running until I... Oh my god, it's a fast version. But oh my god, they're playing mic drop! Chaling is trapped with us! She's gonna have so much fun. It's never going to be boring with us. We're always gonna be freaking out.
Promise.
We're like your noisy student. Darling is a primary school teacher. Isn't that cool?
So it's
Roommate facts. Darling has a newborn baby. Oh my goodness. Hello, little Abigail. So cute. But she left her. You left your child.
So much. She
So
was this
cute.
thin that time.
She
and
was
now
this
she's
thin.
so-
She was this thin that time, and then right now. Oh my god, guys, this is her now. Oh my god! You're drinking a lot of milk from your mommy.
Yes.
Fifi housewife mode on. We're gonna make, what are we gonna make?
Adobo.
Okay, here are eggs. We have onions and garlic and pepper and chicken.
Ayan, kunyari, marunong. Kunyari marunong magluto, gano'n.
okay?
Okay.
You have to
Sino? Oh, introduce.
Adobo ala Philippine.
adobo ala Philippine.
Now we're cooking the chicken. We're finished. How's our adobo?
The texture is good. It's smooth and soft. You know.
How's our adobo, guys?
It's so delicious.
Delicious? Yeah?
Very tender.
Woo!
Very tender and juicy.
This is adobo. Calling at Park Jimin. Your girl knows how to cook.
Pwede ka na. Pwede ka na.
So I will feed you every day of your life. We're going out in the snow. I borrow her. Yeah, she borrowed my jacket because her room is locked. Oh, cute. Wow. 안녕. Bye bye. Philippines.
Our breakfast in Singapore.
Welcome to Singapore.
Yeah, introduce your meal.
Classic breakfast.
Yeah, what's it called?
Kaya toast.
Kaya. I love kaya.
Yes.
Yeah, kaya.
And then here we have rojak.
Okay.
It's a mixture of fruits and
Vegetables.
different vegetables. Yeah.
Okay.
Fried stuff.
What's it called again?
Rojak.
Rojak.
Napagod mo kami, lalo na
We're done with our we just finished performing right now. Youth Night is happening. And all the countries are performing their traditional performances or like their own dances. We performed Piliin Mo ang Pilipinas by Angeline Quinto, and we just made up some steps. And we weren't even prepared, but it was so fun, but I'm so tired. And my mouth is so dry. On and on and on. 여기서 가는 곳 찾나 I just think that I did the most embarrassing thing I've ever done in my entire life. Aside from vlogging. Aside from vlogging here in public and everyone's staring at me right now. And everyone, yeah, they were just staring at me. I just danced fire in front of 70 people, more or less. And I feel terrible. It was so embarrassing. I don't know why I wasn't drunk. There are no alcoholic drinks here, but for some reason, oh my god, I'm gonna stop. I'm in the elevator.
Happy birthday.
Hello, we're so tired.
We're so tired.
Ang gapo ko.
Bye guys, good night.
Bye.
Good night, guys. I think I did the most embarrassing thing I've ever done in my life. Was it cool, kuya?
That's good.
Good night, oppa. Good night, 안녕.
15th floor.
Tara. 15th floor. Oh my god, we're going to the 15th floor, guys. Guys, we're gonna rebel. We're not gonna buy 5th floor. 5th floor. We're not going down. Bye. The 5th floor dormers. The 5th floor dormers.
Oh my gosh.
5th floor.
Oh, so how can we see the other side if we're here?
There's nothing
Oh,
here.
no.
What are you doing?
Langit?
Nagpa-picture lang kami. Walang makikita sa 15th floor kung hindi. Ito. 피곤해. Oh. We have to have breakfast at 8. 8 to 9. I'm looking at you both. I'm looking at you both. Alam mo, nagkumaarte kayo na parang kanina lang kayo na late. Palagi naman kayo late. So bukas
hindi kami late. Hindi kami late.
So bukas, kakatuwa ko
Oh, sige.
Gigising kayo
Depende talaga.
Oh? I'm alone? My roommates aren't here. I'm alone. Okay guys, here's our view again. But this time at night. You know what's funny? A while ago they were playing go-go. But then my camera was in the other room, so I wasn't able to film it. But come on, let's go out. This is the resort at night. Look at all the skiers from up there. They're skiing from up there all the way down there, and then down there, all the way there. See, it's us leaving me. No, don't leave me.
Let's go to Seoul.
Okay, bye-bye. I'm so tired. What's worse is when I check Twitter. Guess who just had their concert? Do you guys know how frustrating it is to be in Korea? Your old group is having a concert, but you're not there. Look at Jimin. Well, I'm far away from Seoul. I'm 3 hours away from Seoul, which kind of makes it better. If I were in Seoul right now, I'd probably be crying. But if there is a day 3 and we're gonna be in Seoul, and I'm gonna be in Seoul while it's happening, and I know it's happening, and I'm there, but I'm not there. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Park Jimin, I have a beautiful view. And I bet you had such a wonderful view of my family, your family, of armies cheering for you guys. So that's all that matters. Your happiness, Bangtan's happiness, my happiness, everyone's happiness. Everyone was happy. That's all that matters. That's it. Good night, guys. Good night to Park Jimin and to God.